have a living.
No, she loves you.
There is no respect for person.
Jacob, you and say fire over pizza.
There is no respect for person.
Solomon, you make a fire over
Death
pizza.
is a painful truth.
Please, stop fighting!
Of our humanity.
It's not time to fight. It's time to have fun.
Today,
So let's go back and have some more
a
fun.
living, and that causes us.
Hi.